This video is about LED ring lights, which are the most affordable and continuous light source to shoot studio quality videos. Ring lights create soft and brilliant light ambience. It can be specifically used by YouTubers, social media content creators, and people who shoot videos on makeup, beauty tips, fashion, food, products, and so on. To explore the features of ring light, we are using the Kodak R2 ring light. It comes with a carry case, and these are all the products that come in the box. The LED light unit, cosmetic mirror, power adapter, smartphone holder, digital camera mounting ball head with 1/4 inch screw, and the user manual. Setting up a ring light is really easy and quick. These lights are actually compact and portable. An important point to note is that you should have a light stand which is sold separately in order to use your ring light. Once you have attached your ring light with the light stand, you can then adjust its height or the rotation. Also, you can adjust the angle of the ring light by tilting it like so. To make it portable, it can be powered by 2 batteries which are sold separately. Or you can just use it with the power adapter. The first knob is to change the intensity of light, and the second knob is to change the color temperature. The color temperature range is from 3200 Kelvin to 5500 Kelvin. There is an extra shoe mount on the top of the light, which is a good feature while recording beauty contents. And also, there is an extra mounting provided besides the main shoe mount. It can be used for smartphones. And this is the main shoe mount to fix the flexible smartphone holder, or to use the given ball head with a digital camera. Ring light is a great source of seamless lighting, which excludes annoying shadows from the subject with its soft and diffused round light output. Here she is recording a video on makeup tips. The uses of ring light are not actually limited. It can be used for head-on shots of cooking tutorials, videos as well as images. It is also a great light source for tabletop photography. It creates soft, perfectly diffused and even lighting effect at an affordable price. Ring lights also create a beautiful round catch light in selfies. This is an example compared to a strobe and a modifier. This video is made possible by Messrs. Altaf H. Wali, the electronic megastore. To get all the products shown in this video, contact them on this phone number or reach them on Instagram using this ID. They have the complete range of electronic gadgets, cameras and camera accessories. And also, these products are available on easy EMI. Thank you for watching this video by Crossbeats. Don't forget to subscribe and like. This is our Instagram and our website. reach us through either of those for detailed setup consultancy or for our other services, which are photography classes, photo tours, photography and videography. Special thanks to Choice Collection, Sitabardi, Nagpur for providing makeup kit for the video.